Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a JSON file in Databricks. Whether you're new to Databricks or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to make sure it's as clear as possible. First things first, let's open up Databricks and get started. Once you're in the Databricks environment, you'll need to locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This sidebar is your control center for navigating through the platform. To begin uploading your JSON file, look for the option that says New and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several choices. You'll want to select Add or Upload Data. This step sets the stage for bringing your JSON file into the Databricks workspace. Now, once you've clicked Add or Upload Data, the next page will prompt you to choose what kind of task you'd like to perform. Your goal here is to create or modify a table, so go ahead and select the option that says Create or Modify a Table. This is an important step because it tells Databricks that you'll be working with structured data that you intend to organize into a table format. With that done, you'll now see an area designated for uploading files. This is your upload area where you can drag and drop your JSON file. Simply locate your file on your computer and then drag it directly into this upload section. It's as easy as that. If you prefer, you can also click the upload area to browse your files and select your JSON file manually. Either way works just fine, so choose the method you're most comfortable with. After your file is uploaded, you'll need to select an active compute resource. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. Your compute resource is essentially the engine that powers your data processing tasks in Databricks. Selecting an active compute allows you to preview the data in your JSON file before fully committing it to a table. So, go ahead and select the appropriate compute resource for your task. Now that you've previewed your data, you're almost there. The next thing you'll need to do is choose your destination catalog and schema. This is where Databricks will store your table, so it's important to select the correct location within your workspace. Your catalog is like a library, and your schema is a specific shelf within that library where your table will reside. Once you've made your selections, you're ready for the final step. Finally, click on Create. This action takes all the information you've provided and uses it to establish your new table within Databricks. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your JSON file and created a table in Databricks. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe for more tutorials on Databricks and other data tools. Thank you for watching and see you next time.